Hey friends, welcome to Bagan's Beauty. I'm doing today a collaboration review with Dressin. Beautiful dresses, and let's unbox this. Hey friends, I want to tell you a little bit about Dressin. They are a high quality clothing line that offer great prices. They offer incredible discounts to new registered users. I will make sure to include the links in the description along with my code. They also have a wide variety of clothing from professional attire to swim attire, including pants, shirts, dresses, cover-ups, formal and casual attire. The best part is they also offer a wide range of sizes, from smaller sizes to curved sizes. All the clothing measurements are in each description of every item. I hope you enjoy it. Hey, I'm here with my BFF, Cash. You'll be nice, say hi. Say hi to all the people. That's my BFF, my little broke best friend. So anyway, here's the package from Dressin. All these pretty dresses. All right, so let's unbox this so I can show you each one. Okay, the first one, And I will definitely show how they fit. So I got a lot of dresses because I love dresses. So this one, look at that. White and black. And I will definitely show how they fit on me. All right. It's packaged nicely. That material is nice. I definitely like it. The second dress, because I definitely got a whole bunch of dresses. Here's the off the shoulder blue dress. Ooh, so pretty. So guys, I don't know where you guys are from, but I'm definitely from the islands. I'm from Puerto Rico. I don't know if you've ever been there, but I love my isla with all my heart, and I'm so glad that I'm from there. I love it. And here's this dress. It's a yellow dress. Pretty material. Well, actually, it's a bathing suit. It's a bathing suit. Okay, well, I thought it was a dress. It's pretty though. Nice color. Nice bottoms too. And I definitely will show everyone what it looks like on. All right. And here is, ooh, a little black off the shoulder dress. Everyone can use one of these, right? A little black dress, always and forever. It's like a present, like presents. Ooh, and this one has sparkles in it. Another black little dress. Ooh, I like Cash. What you think? You like this? It's pretty, right? Cash likes it. He's definitely feeling that dress. I think he is. Anyway, it's packaged nicely. I like it. I definitely do like a lot of black, clearly. Oh, another black dress. Here we go. With some ruffles. Look at this. I can't wait to wear all these dresses. Yes, I can't wait to wear them all. So pretty. And then I will definitely describe the materials. All this stuff looks very nicely made. Here's another bathing suit. There's the bra. It has nice material and I like that. Ooh, and it has a little skirt. You can always wear a little skirt, and plus I'm going to Florida like in 12 days, so why not? Oh, and it has a shirt and the bottoms. Too cute. And here we go. A dress. a pink dress. Ooh, I love the color. Look at that. So pretty. Off the shoulder. Showing a little bit of midriff. I like that. Anyway, here we go. We got one more. Actually, two more. Okay. Here's another. Ooh, this dress is pretty. Look at that. It's showing a little bit of tummy. And then it has some slits. So pretty to maybe go out dancing. Well, like, listen, I dress up to go anywhere. Like, I mostly go to work, go buy groceries, but wherever I go, that's what I do, is I dress up because I like to look nice. Like, and that's what people do from Puerto Rico. And here we go, a bathing, oh, look at this, bathing suit. So pretty. The color is so pretty. Nice bottoms too. Look at that. Okay, well, so now, friends, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on my body. Hey, friends, all the outfits are well made, great quality. I am in between a size medium and a size large. I mostly looked at the description for the measurements, and I chose the size based off of that. I really like all the items, all the clothes. The links are going to be posted in my description. So make sure to use my code for all the savings, and new registered users get money back. You can't go wrong with checking it out. I am so thankful that you watched my videos. Thank you so much for your support, love, and kindness. And if you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and subscribe. Definitely if you like hair videos, because I mostly do that. And until next time, also, if you like this video, give me a like and comment your favorite outfit. Bye, friends, and until next time.